and good afternoon, friends. Today I want to show you a really cool covering that I found for somebody's well. These are really neat. I've never seen anything quite like this, and I think you might appreciate it. Let's take a look together. So earlier we discussed ways to hide your well, and some of the ways that everybody does it is by using a well rock or some other kind of like wishing well, some kind of wooden structure to make it where it's a little bit less likely for you to see the well itself. So we can see here that somebody actually fashioned up a cool little outhouse for their well. See here that we've got full coverage, makes it where you can't see the well. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. This is pretty neat. I do recommend, if you're going to cover your well, that you consider doing it in a way to where you can actually get into it and work on it if necessary. So we can see at the base, it's just wood sitting on bricks. The bricks are basically the foundation for this structure. It even has a little latch so you can keep the door closed. This particular one's a little bit loose, so it doesn't actually work, but it is pretty neat. Inside of here, we'll actually see that we have our well, and we can see how they have everything fashioned inside. Unfortunately for this one, we have a wasp nest that's working on the inside, but this is really neat. Cool way to hide your well. Got a little outhouse in their yard. I figured you guys would probably enjoy this. If you know how to build something like this, or if you have a diagram that maybe I could give to other people or use myself, please feel free to leave a comment below. I think it's fascinating. It's definitely really neat. We can see that it probably didn't take too much money or time to put into it. Probably an afternoon project, but leave a comment below, let me know. These sorts of things I find very fascinating. I think it's really cool when people get creative on ways to hide their well. Now, the well rocks I'm not a huge fan of, as we've discussed previously. With well rocks, you have to be careful because the ants and all sorts of other bugs will kind of work their way in there. You want to have something that's a little bit more open with some ventilation like that, but you do need to be conscious that there are some bees nests in there, right? So we already got the one active, really tiny one, but there were about 3 or 4 other dead nests that were in there too. So a wooden structure like that, you're almost always going to get those wasps that go in there. So you're going to have to make sure you kind of keep an eye on it and kill them off as time goes on. Otherwise, whenever your well contractor comes to service it, he's going to get a little bit more than he expected when he goes in there, right? So I hope you found this interesting. I don't get to see stuff like this every day, so I wanted to make a quick video to show you guys because I thought it was neat. Hit that like button, hit subscribe. I have more videos posted every day on the world of well and septic. Till next time.